Hello everyone, today we are going to perform an indicator test with the chemical phenolphthalein. So we know that phenolphthalein turns pink in base and it remains colorless in acid. So let's start this interesting experiment. So I'll introduce you with the ingredients. So first we will need two borosilicate glass test tubes. If you don't have test tubes, you can also use any container to perform this experiment. But you can easily get this test tubes on Amazon. The link is shared in the description box. Then the next ingredient is sodium carbonate, which is popularly known as common salt or table salt. Then the next ingredient is sodium bicarbonate, popularly known as uh, baking soda. Then the next ingredient is citric acid. If you don't have citric acid crystals, you can also use a lemon juice, vinegar, or any other acid or acidic thing. Then the next thing is phenolphthalein. If you don't have phenolphthalein, you can purchase it from the Amazon, which the link is in the description box. The next thing is we will need a test tube holder, which looks similar to this. If it is not there, then it's okay. Then we will need a dropper, a spoon for handling the chemicals, as we should not handle the chemicals with our hands itself. Then the next thing is I have taken a container in which I have filled some water. So now let's start the experiment. So first I'll take a borosilicate test tube. Then in that I'll add approximately 2 cc's of water through a dropper. It will take a lot of time, but still I'll use. Because if we pour the water directly into the test tube, then we don't have a measurement of 2 cc's. So this is approximately 2 cc's of water. So let's start now. So in this 2 cc's of water, I'll add a pinch of sodium carbonate. I can also add a 1 full spoon, which I have because it's too small. So after adding, you should nicely shake it till it dissolves. And you should catch the test tube as this. You should keep your little finger away from the test tube. And you should shake it this way. When you are doing a flammable experiment, you should never keep your hand over here, because the flames or the gases which come out of it are caused inside and it may blast. So the salt is dissolved in it now. So I'll use the next ingredient, sodium bicarbonate. That too a pinch, means I can use a full spoon. So this too, we will dissolve it. So now it has been dissolved very well. So now I'll add some phenolphthalein in it. So this mixture is now a base. It will work as a base. So you should not add too much phenolphthalein, and you should add just a drop, but you should handle it with a dropper only. You can't handle with any other object. So here I go with 1 drop of phenolphthalein. You can see the rapid color change. I'll shake it so the whole solution will be pink. So you can see it's too pink color. So now I'll use my test tube holder this way, and in it I'll catch this thing like this. Then I'll take the next test tube. I'll open the citric acid bottle. I'll add some citric acid crystals. Then I'll add some water, and I'll make sure that my solution will not be too much diluted, because if it is more diluted, then it won't work. So I'll add this water to it. In this also I'll take 2 cc's. Okay, so I shake it very well. Okay, so now I'll add it in the solution in which phenolphthalein and with base is there. So you can see the rapid change, and that's the reason I'm not catching it in the hand, because after adding the acid, if the acid is highly concentrated, it starts bubbling and it also comes out sometime. So you can see that the rapid change has been done, because now the solution is colorless. First it was pink in color. So now I'll show it to you very properly. So you can see the solution, how it is. So now I'll just throw it in a bowl, and you should always make sure that the container which you use, first you have to add some water, then you have to shake it very well, then you'll throw it, and again when you take some water in it, this way, the time you will keep your hand like this and you'll shake it this way, because for the first round the chemicals has been washed. So my experiment is done now. So the experiment is done now, and I hope you all love the experiments, and thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.